So I'm starting off with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm combing up my hair really well. You want to make sure everything is detangled and smooth so that there's no knots or anything. And I did use a clarifying shampoo to make sure that your scalp is super clean. That's really important. So I sectioned off the bottom portion of my hair, and I split that into 3 parts, and I started to work on the twists. So to do that, you just split the section in 2 and just twist in opposite directions as you're twisting down. So this helps you make sure that the twist doesn't become unraveled or anything, and it stays in place for however long you keep it in for. So some of it is a bit uneven, but I wasn't striving for perfection in this instance really, so I was just doing it for protective style, so you can take more time to make sure you're doing your sectioning really evenly. So I did lose the footage to the rest of it, but I figured I'd keep it and show how it looked on, I believe it was about day 4. So these are what the twists are looking like. They're still in good tact, but you can see it's a bit frizzy on the tops, and some of the twists are undone or starting to undo. So I wanted to go in and refresh a few. So I'm going in again with the leave-in conditioner and some jojoba oil, especially on the ends, and then for the ones at the top, I'll just redo the whole thing and smooth down the roots. So you can do a half up, half down. That's the kind of look I was doing here. I didn't want to tie anything up. I just wanted to use the hair to tie itself. So that's what I did here. So you could just use a scrunchie or something if you don't want to do that. It does look a bit better when you use a hair tie. But I just felt like doing this today. And then I worked on my edges because there were a lot of frizzies at the front, so it's good to make sure you're smoothing down the front so that it looks really put together. And these are the final results after the refresh. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.